In this video, we will discuss about Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel. Flash Fill is such a feature using which we can set one example for Excel for similar type of changes. Let's say we have huge amount of data and in any column or multiple column we want similar type of changes. So I will give one example to Excel and it will identify the pattern and then it will make similar type of changes in other cells. Now in some cases we may face some issue like Excel will not be able to understand the pattern in a single example. Then we have to give second example, another example, so that it can understand. And after giving 1, 2 or 3 example, after training it again and again, it will identify the pattern and it will do the similar changes for other cells. So it will reduce manual labor. So let's start. In this cell, in this table, we have put some first name and last name. Now I will add prefix. Now I want Mr. ahead of every first name. So I will give one example to Excel like Mr. Abhishek, like this. Now I will select that cell, will go to data tab and will click on this flash fill. Clicking on this, you can see for other cells also it has made similar changes. It has reduced our manual work. Moving on to our next example, let's say suffix. So after every first name we want sir, like Abhishek sir. I will make one change and train Excel like that. Excel will understand that and will similar type of changes for other cell. So I have put Abhishek sir. Now I will select this cell, will go to flash fill. Now you can see for other cells it hasn't reflected the proper changes, like it will be Rahul sir but it is Rahul Lur. So I have to train Excel again and again so that it can understand the pattern. So Rahul, after that sir. Now if I click on this cell or move to any other cell, you can see similar type of changes happen everywhere. So we have to train Excel till the point they understand. Moving on to our next example, concat. Concat means like we want now first name and last name together and there should be a space between them, like Abhishek space dash. So it will be this is the space in between them, first name space last name. Now I want similar changes for the other cells. Now I will select this cell, go to data tab and flash fill. You can see similar type of changes happened in all other cells. Now I will go to split property. Like I want first 3 characters from the first name. First 3 character from the first name of every cell. Now I will give one example to Excel. Like first name, it will be first 3 characters will be ABH. And I will want similar type of changes like RAH, PRA, KES for other cells. So I will click this cell, go to flash cell. Now I can see similar type of changes happened in all this. Now there is one more example for this split property. Let's say I want first or say last 2 characters from the last name. Like for here it will be AS, it will be RA, here it will be TI, last 2 character from the last name. So I will put AS and I will go to flash fill. Now you can see that the changes we wanting is not reflected here. Like Excel hasn't got the proper haven't recognized the pattern yet. So we will give one more example to Excel. Like for these last 2 characters will be RA. Now we'll move to other cell. You can see here now after giving 2 examples, Excel has identified the pattern and it has reflected all the necessary changes like last 2 characters from the last name. So moving on to our last part, that is mixed. Here we will have some changes mixed, like what we have learned so far, like suffix, prefix, or split. All this we will want together. So what I want is first name space last name, comma, how are you, question mark. So I will put first name space last name, comma, how are you, question mark. I want similar type of change for this next guy and all the guy after that. So I will click on this cell or select on this cell, go to flash fill, click here. Now you can see similar type of changes happened here. So this is how it will reduce our manual labor, and after giving one or two example, it can identify the pattern and will make similar changes for all other cells. So that's it for today. Thank you.